Hey y'all, I'm Kinzeyrae. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be doing some bohemian knotless braids using human hair. So let's go ahead and get into the hair. The hair that I'm using today is by YWigs, and this is their water wave human braiding hair. I got it in color 1B and in 16 inches. The hair came with a comb, a clip, and a crochet hook, which are all essentials for this hairstyle. They sell the hair in bulk, and I got 3 bundles for this look. This is the hair straight out of the packaging, and I'm loving the quality of the hair. I got a wavy texture because I wanted a more wavy look for this style. And for my braiding hair, I'm using the Spectra Easy Braid in 26 inches, and I got 2 packs, which comes with 4 bundles. So I've already started on my hair, and I saved this little section to show you guys the process. I used 2 small pieces of braiding hair and 2 pieces of the human hair, and I'm going to be feeding them in. So I've already parted my hair into sections, and I'm going to be doing the crochet method. So I just stick the crochet needle underneath my braid, roll up the braiding hair, pull it underneath, and then I'm going to take one side of the braiding hair and pull it through. After I pulled it through, I'm just going to kind of tug on each side until I get them even. Then I'm just braiding my hair and the braiding hair in together. I like to braid it down a little bit, and then I'm going to feed in the human hair. And to do that, I just kind of open up 2 fingers, I pinch the hair that I'm feeding in, and then I just start to braid again. I swear, it's so hard to explain. It's kind of just a kind of watch as you go kind of thing. So anyways, I just braid that down, and then once I get to a certain spot, I take the remainder of the human hair, stick it in my mouth just so I can have it out of the way, braid it down some more, and then I'm going to feed in my second piece of braiding hair. I braid that down, and lastly we feed in our last piece of human hair. Now you don't have to add in as much as I did. You can just do 1 piece of braiding hair, 1 piece of human hair, but I just kind of wanted mine to be like going throughout the braid. After that, I just took my scissors and just cut away any pieces of hair that might have been sticking out from me feeding in the braids, and then just like that, we have us a nice bohemian braid. So now I'm going to be repeating that same process on this braid. This time I'll just kind of let you guys watch and see the process. But yeah, it's really easy. The crochet process makes all of this just so much easier to do, and having human hair with the bohemian braids is definitely the key, especially if you're going on like vacation or going swimming, going to the beach. You won't have to worry about the hair really tangling up, just as long as you like take care of the human hair. So that's really why I prefer human hair over like synthetic hair for a style like this. But by all means, if you need to get you some synthetic hair, girl, then definitely do that, because it is a cheaper option. But I definitely recommend human hair if you're looking for a stress-free vacation. Don't have to worry about the hair tangling up. It lasts longer. It's just where it's at. Human hair is where it's at, y'all. Also, the white stuff that you guys see on my hands is braiding cream that I like to pick up in between just braiding the hair. This helps to keep the hair in place. You can also use it on your scalp to keep your hair from being itchy. Yeah, I just love this stuff. So after I finished up with this braid, again, I took my scissors and just cut off any pieces that were sticking out from me feeding the hair in, and I finished up the rest of my hair. And then let's go ahead and move on to setting the braids and layering our edges. Products that I'm using today to just moisturize my hair and set it with the braids are by Mish Beauty, and right now I'm using their refresh spray. I'm just spraying this all over my scalp to make sure that my scalp is nice and moisturized. Right now I'm really just trying to focus on getting my hair back to a healthy state. Also, I didn't really do these braids as tight as I usually do because I want it to be a low tension style. Now I'm just going in with their styling mousse, just putting that all over the top of the braids. This is so that I can set the hair and just make sure that my hair is laying down nicely. And for my edges, I like to use a combination of gel and edge control. So I'm using the Olive Oil Eco Styling Gel and the Edge Booster Edge Control. After I'm done with my edges, I just take a silk scarf and tie it around my hair, and this is just to set everything in place. Now I'm going back in with those same products and I'm using them on the human hair for the braids, and this is just to moisturize and define the hair. Again, this is human hair, so you definitely want to take care of it, kind of like how you would with bundles, how you would with your own hair. It will definitely make a huge difference with making the hair last long. After that, I just take this section of hair and I'm going to be putting it in braids and then dipping it in hot water, and I'm just braiding it because I really want to go for like a wavy look versus like a curly look. So braiding it up and dipping it in hot water will just set it and just really give me like those effortless beach waves. After dipping the hair in hot water and just letting it kind of sit for about 15 minutes, I just started taking each section out of the braids, and as you can see, we have a really nice wavy look. Also, I really just wanted the braid to complement the waviness of the water wave human hair, and I definitely think that it helped me achieve that look. Like it's given. I love it so much. So I went ahead and took the rest of the braids out. Like I said, I'm just loving it. I ended up wearing this hairstyle to Florida. I went to Fort Lauderdale, Miami, and Key West, and this hair definitely held up. So after I was all done taking out the braids, I just used some oil to oil my scalp, and I'm using the Miel growth drops. If you have not gotten your hands on these, I definitely recommend checking these out. These have definitely made my hair grow, and I am really focusing on growing my hair back nice and healthy. So moisturizing and just making sure that you nourish your hair is definitely a key if you're looking to do this style as a protective style. Also, you can do them a little looser to keep them low tension. Alright y'all, so that is it for the video. I am definitely a braids girl when it comes to protective summer hairstyles, and I just love the fact that I added the human hair in with these braids so that they can last me a while and I won't have to worry about my hair tangling up. Also, like I said, I wore these on vacation and they gave me no problems at all. And the hair that I used is from YWigs, and I used their water wave hair in color 1B, and I got 16 inches. I used 1.5 of their bundles, and I will have all of their information and links to the hair in my description box. I also have the products that I used in this video linked in my Amazon storefront. I'll have that below in the description box as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.